Welcome to this tutorial on how to make only close friends see your phone number on Facebook. In today's digital age, maintaining privacy is crucial, and Facebook offers several options to control who can see your personal details. Let's walk through the steps to ensure that only those you trust have access to your phone number. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the menu where you can access various settings and features. Scroll down through the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage your account details. Under the Account Center section, tap on Personal Details. Here, you'll find all the information you've shared on Facebook, including your contact information. Tap on Contact Info and locate your phone number. Once you've found it, tap on the number to edit its visibility settings. Now tap on Facebook Account and then select Change Visibility on Facebook. This option allows you to control who can see your phone number on the platform. To limit visibility to only close friends, choose Close Friends from the available options. This ensures that only those you've designated as close friends can see your phone number. By following these steps, you've successfully restricted access to your phone number, making it visible only to those you trust. This is a great way to maintain privacy while still allowing close friends to reach you directly. Remember, managing your privacy settings regularly is important to ensure that your personal information remains secure. Facebook's privacy features are designed to give you control over who sees your details, so take advantage of them to protect your data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your online presence.